William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I welcome you to another Two Hats special of community events. Let's look in and see what's really happening.
All right, so my name is Brian. I'm with the American Chemistry Council's Chlorine Chemistry Division. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about chlorine and all the great uses that it's used for. Most people think it's just about disinfection. So swimming pools, drinking water, bleach, all disinfection. And that's actually a very, very small part of the chlorine story. So chlorine is actually used for all sorts of different uses. In fact, 3% is just used for disinfection. 97% is used for everything else, from plastics to leading pharmaceuticals to windmills to solar panels, anything with a microchip in it, basically, your cell phone, computers, glasses, contacts, even inhalers for that matter. All are produced using chlorine chemistry. So what we wanted to do was come down to Dallas Earth Day and to basically share the story and teach a bunch of kids about the value of chemistry and the value of chlorine chemistry in particular. So what we're doing is we're having a little experiment over here to teach people and teach children and adults a little bit of chemistry and some of the value that chemistry provides to the environment in particular. So, and chlorine in particular. So what we have here is we have one of our top brochures here. We call it Chlorine, the Element of Surprise, because of all the surprising uses of chlorine beyond disinfection. And just again, as I mentioned before, all those various uses in various aspects of life, from transportation, food and water, energy and the environment, which again is what we're really focused on here at Earth Day, since not many people can appreciate or necessarily understand the full value that chlorine really offers when it comes to the environment. So that's what we're here for, and we also have a great coloring book as well that we're giving away. This is wonderful. This has been a huge hit today, to say the least. So this has been huge with the kids and the school kids. It teaches all about chlorine and chemistry in general, and it takes you all around the world, showing you all the various uses of it, and it's a wonderful educational tool. And this is a great educational tool for adults in particular. We're also giving away free test kits for swimming pools, so people can test their pH and their chlorine level in their swimming pools as well. And we have a number of other pieces of collateral that we're giving away as well. But the biggest hit, again, the coloring book, the Element of Surprise, and this wonderful science experiment that we're doing over here.
You want to do the science experiment with us?
Sure, we can do that.
All right, one science experiment. What are we doing here?
All right, so what we're doing is we're creating those little ice packs essentially that you see where you break the ice pack, and it creates that cold feeling. Okay. So we're going to mimic that basically here in a pretty simple way. We're going to create an endothermic reaction which absorbs heat, which is the reason why it feels so cold. Oh. We're going to do it using two chemicals here, citric acid and just simple baking soda. Nothing fancy, and a little bit of water as well. So we're going to take the Ziploc bag, and we're going to take 4 spoonfuls of the citric acid.
Okay. Would that give me my orange juice for the day?
I think more than plenty. Although we certainly, obviously, wouldn't recommend drinking or eating any of this directly.
None of this is still food.
Yep.
Except for thought.
Yeah, it's exactly. This is definitely not edible. And I'm actually going to put, the one thing I forgot to do is put my glasses on here.
Okay. So that we're safe here.
So that we're safe. So then we're going to mix it up.
Okay.
In the bag here. And what's kind of cool is the reaction's already happening, but it's happening really, really, really slowly. So you can't really feel it. So there's nothing really cold here. You can go ahead and feel it. Nothing.
Oh yes, it is cool.
Just cool.
Yeah.
It's about to get really cold. Now we're going to add some water. The water is room temperature. When we add the water, it's going to act as a catalyst in this. And as you can see, it's already reacting. And so we're going to mix it up a little bit now, more. And the temperature is dropping pretty substantially. So,
can I put that in my back pocket? Oh, that feels so good.
It does on a hot day like this, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So it's very, very, very cool. So that's basically the reaction that you're getting. It's releasing, in this case, it's also releasing CO2 gas as well, but it's the resulting chemical that you get is sodium citrate right there.
Wow.
Water and carbon dioxide, which is the reason why we don't zip this closed. So if we did zip it closed, you'll see it start to fill up with gas. So But anyways, that's the experiment that we're doing, kind of just explaining how you get those cool packs and how they actually work. That you see at a regular grocery store or CVS or whatever one you pick up. And it's been wonderful. We had dozens and dozens of school children coming by today, and they've absolutely had a blast with this. I mean, you should just see all their faces light up, and it's wonderful.
This is William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please leave comments below, or like, follow, or subscribe to us and get notices of all our videos. We love it, even when you call.